Hello ladies and gentlemen, welcome to another perfume review video. My name is Naz. This is my channel, the King of Hidden Gems. I try to bring to your attention fragrances are usually very good value for money. They smell good. They're usually under the radar. Not many people talk about them. I think at least you should do your research, try them for yourself and see if they're any good to you. So in this video I have another unboxing and first impression for you, and this is the brand Al Qasr. The brand Al Qasr is another brand from Middle East, from United Arab Emirates. And I unboxed and reviewed two of their fragrances before, and they very much impressed me, especially for the price, under £20. They are amazing value for money. So when I saw another one from them for that price, under £20, I had to get it. And this one is called Oud Kashmir Eau de Parfum 100 ml, and this one from Al Qasr again. In United Kingdom, there's only one seller you can buy from them. It's very hard to find. In other places, I'm not sure about are they available? Not these things. I have no idea. All I know is about where I live, which is United Kingdom. So do your research, Google it, and see if it comes up if you are interested. But before I do the unboxing, please, if you like what I do, if you find it useful, informative, valuable, or entertaining, hit those buttons. This way you help me, you encourage me, you motivate me to make videos like this in future. Your help, your encouragement would take this channel a long way, and I appreciate that very much. Thank you for your support, and let's go. So very pretty box, very beautiful design to it. Amazing for under £20. Such a beautiful design. And very heavy as well. Anyway, so sorry about the noise. By the way, yesterday I made a video asking or telling people if they have any question for me to put it down there. So if you have any question this weekend, I'm going to make a video and answer those questions. If you are curious, if you want to know anything, you want to know about fragrances, about anything else, ask me anything, put it down there or in yesterday's the video, and I will try to answer them this weekend. Anyway, so look at that beautiful, gorgeous design. Beautiful attention to detail. It's just if this was a European name, it would have been 150 plus for this kind of presentation. Look at that, beautiful, amazing. Very heavy bottle. Look, inside, just attention to details. It's very good. It's very thick cardboard box, and look at that. Beautiful bottle, very heavy. The cap is wooden. Wow. And the atmosphere is golden. Here we go. Not bad. The atmosphere puts out not much, but it's okay. It does the job. Here we go. So first impression, first sniff for Al Qasr, and this is Oud Kashmir Eau de Parfum 100 ml. This is unisex targeted, and let's see how it goes. Here you go. Ooh, floral. So this is very floral, so you need to like your florals. I can smell definitely straight away rose, and the roses here is very fresh rose. It's very uplifting, it's very inviting. I can smell jasmine as well, so it's like a combination of jasmine and rose. It's very woody. It says Oud Kashmir. So far I haven't smelled oud, but it is very woody in nature, like sandalwoody, gaiac woody, cedar, so things like this. But oud I haven't smelled yet. Tiny bit of soapiness come from those combination of the jasmine and the rose, but definitely this is for people who like their florals, because this is floral. I can smell something earthy, something rooty, something leafy as well, so most likely it's going to be a patchouli in here, giving a little bit of chocolatey feel. Not much, just a little bit. It's got a tiny bit of a fruity tinge to it, but it's not a big player. It's just smells like something stone fruity. Maybe there's a peach, maybe there's a apricot in here, so it smells like a peach, apricot, stone fruit fruitiness. It's got a sweetness to it, but the sweetness is not huge. I would say right now for the first impression, 0 to 10, 10 being the sweetest, this is around 6. So it's not overly sweet, but it's just quite sweet in the base, and it lifts everything up together and round everything up. Most likely it's going to be a vanilla in here, because I can smell something like vanilla. Okay, so far no oud, and also it's not fresh, but it's semi-fresh. So it's one of those fragrances that is not dense, it's not thick. But in terms of strength, I have to wait and see how it goes, and I will let you know in the next video the performance, the longevity and projection and all good things like that. But for now, it is quite filling the room, but it's not thick and dense. It's quite on the airy, on the effervescent side, semi-fresh, not deep and dense. So Oud Kashmir here, I'm not getting that much oud, or at least for now. Cashmere, so when you call it a fragrance Oud Kashmir, something has to give that impression, but so far it's not. It's all about florals for now. It's about fruitiness, floral, woody base, sweetness come from vanilla, but overall there's not much. Obviously there's woodiness, as I said, maybe cedar, agaric wood, maybe sandalwood, because it's quite smooth as well. Yeah, no oud so far. So this is the thing, I don't understand the companies, this obsession of calling something oud, especially from the Middle East, especially from United Arab Emirates. You don't have to call everything oud just to sell, yeah? Sometimes it's better to call something else. For example, this one, it should have been called floral cashmere, or cashmere rose, or cashmere jasmine, or cashmere something. But to call it oud and there is no oud, it will, a little bit on the letdown, a little bit on the disappointing side, because I was expecting something oudy and dense and thick and resinous, but I'm not getting that. But forget that, forget the name. On its own at the moment is very, very pretty. It's definitely bang in the middle in terms of the sex. Women and men can wear. This is very, very good for going out. It's very opulent. It's very smells very, very good. Occasion, definitely formal, evening, going out, formal occasion and things like that, special occasion. And definitely all year round, because it's semi-fresh, so you can rock it in. It's got a sweetness to it that you can rock it in winter and cooler weather, and it's got some freshness to it from those combination of the florals and the fruits in here, that you can wear it in warmer weather. So it is quite versatile in that term, which is a good thing for some people. But for me, it's a little bit of a letdown, because when I have a name in the title of the fragrance, oud, I'm expecting oud. Anyway, so maybe later on it will come up, I don't know. But first impression, it's not there. But if you forget the oud and just concentrate on what is in the bottle, it is very, very good. Well done. Goodness me, it is very, very good. I smell something spicy in here as well. I'm not sure what kind of spice, but it's not cinnamon, it's not clove, it's not nutmeg, it's something else. What is that? Something that giving it a little bit of banana feel or bread feel, which is, it might sound a bit strange, but for I'm just going to put you in the right direction. Okay, something spicy, by giving a tiny bit of that banana bread. Maybe there's what else is in there? Maybe there's a tiny bit of incense in here. Yeah, it might be incensey, but it's quite soapy in the same time. It's quite incensey, sweet, floral, definitely floral. The floral is big, especially jasmine and the rose together, making it very, very floral. And also in the beginning, at the moment, it's got that stone fruit feel to it, which is apricot and peach together, maybe, or one of them. Okay guys, thank you very much for joining me. If you like what I do, if you find it useful, informative, valuable, don't forget to hit those buttons. If you want to support me by buying one of my own fragrances, they're out of this world. They are super artistic, ultra beast mode, 100% natural, amazing value for money, but you need to live in the United Kingdom in order to purchase them. I leave the links in the description as well. Don't forget, if you have any question, put it down there, or yesterday's the video about you want to know anything. It's called Ask Me Anything. I will try to answer it this weekend. Thank you very much, and I'll see you later. Bye.